Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are preparing Tulasi tea. It's a immunity booster and helps to reduce cold and cough during this summer time. I took 1 glass of water, 10 Tulsi leaves, wash it and cut it to add into the water, half teaspoon of palm sugar. When the water boils and reduces down to half a glass, then we can filter the tea. This tea helps reduce cold and cough for people of all the ages. The tea has boiled nicely and is ready to be filtered. The tea is ready to be served. The tea is beneficial for anyone with cold and cough symptoms. Please share your experience with this home remedy in the comments below. If you like my videos, please like and share. Improve your health with the delicious South Indian food. Thank you.